So ventilators, we have four checkoffs, pardon me, we have two checkoffs that are going to occur over four different ventilators within this class. So I just want to introduce you to the idea of it first, and then Crystal and I are actually going to walk you through a checkoff where I am going to be the checkee and Crystal the checker, and we're going to walk you right through the process so that you have on film exactly what you need to do. But to start with, at the end of each lab, you will find a page that looks like this one. This one happens to be the Avia lab, but it could be the Servo-I, the 840, the Draeger, it doesn't matter. Any of the ventilators will provide you a page like this that has everything on it that you could be asked in a checkoff. So if you look, the very first thing says Preuse Check or EST. If you look right here, it says EST. If you can't read it, that's fine. Just when you look at your Avia checkoff, you will see it says EST. And you would take it through the EST process. Okay, so any vent, that's where it's going to start, is making sure the circuit's on, Preuse check, you have to be able to do that, and then, of course, power on and use your ventilator. So you'll notice there's a whole lot of stuff on here. The checkoff is going to be a survey of this. It will not include absolutely every item here. It will be a survey, and you're expected to know every single item. So you've already got the paper right now. If you go into Canvas, you can download all of these papers, and you have them right now. You know what your test is going to be. And we will demonstrate the questions and everything on the next video. So when we come back, remember the event checkoffs are set up so that the first checkoff is going to be over the Servo-I and the 840. You come into the room and we'll say, okay, Crystal, you're going to be checked off on the 840. Rick, you're doing the Servo-I, and there will be faculty there ready to test you on it. So we're going to do those first. The first checkoff will be of those two vents, and you need to be prepared to be on either one of them. The same thing for the second checkoff. The second checkoff will be over the Avia or the Draeger. And then you will be prepared for both. Come in at your assigned times that will be posted with your time during your regular lab time, and you'll be checked off. And that's it. So you need to be ready to go at the assigned times.